Hey, all you cheap bastards out there like me, you don't want to spend $270 to replace $12 worth of batteries in your Epirb? Well, I'm going to show you how to make a pack that's just as good. Stay tuned. This battery pack is supposed to be put together by factory trained personnel. I guess you can train a monkey to put these together, and they would be factory trained. You do have to cut this plastic wrap off to get the wires out, because you want to reuse those, because you need that little connector right there. There's 3 of these battery packs in your Epirb. Even if you order these from China, they're over $100 a piece. This is what's in one of them. 3 CR123 lithium batteries. These are the same thing right here, but Duracells. We welded this pack together. I'm going to show you how. Got lithium strips. You hot glue the battery pack together. Then we're going to shrink wrap it after. As long as you got the ability to weld these things, it's a piece of cake. Costs practically nothing. This is the spot welder I'm using. All kinds of videos on YouTube how to build this thing. It's a piece of cake. All this crap I had laying around the shop. So we're going to show you how to put a couple of these together, and hopefully when we're 100 miles offshore and we start sinking, it still works. Like, I got full confidence in my welding and this being able to work. See you later. So I just desoldered this piece of wire from the original one, and we're going to solder it and weld it to the new battery pack over here. Nothing to it. So here's the wire. I soldered the little longer piece of the nickel strip on positive, a little shorter on the negative. And we're gonna spot weld them to the batteries. Here's the positive, spot welded, the positive terminal. Put a little piece of tape right there. Came on the other ones, probably gives you a little extra insulation so you don't short that piece out. And there's a negative one, spot welded right there. There you have it. 3 good as new battery packs for my Acer Epirb. Just wrap them up in shrink wrap tape. Good to go. Now, if you're one of these people that wears a helmet, wears your seatbelts, has health insurance, spend the $270 for no reason. If you're like me, save the money. I got more confidence in these, and the pack's the little Chinese kid built. No offense, little Chinese kid. Over and out. Check those, make sure they're all good. Make sure you don't have any cracks in the housing. Check the antenna, make sure that's not leaking. You should be good to go. Batteries, just fit right in there like that. And then we're going to put the rest of it together, and I'll show you that in a second.